everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to prepare green omelette with pumpkin seeds microgreen. Yes, you heard it right. The fresh pumpkin seeds leaves are edible, and because I was growing them in pot, hardly 2 or 3 leaves came and I decided to consume it anyway. So here I have the pumpkin seeds leaves. We need to cut the roots and then give this a real good wash because it might have a lot of dust and dirt along with it. Here I am washing the leaves properly. You can wash it for 2 to 3 times or until you get clean water. Once they are washed properly, we need to finely chop them. We need to chop it just like how we would chop coriander if we are using it in omelette. Here I am done chopping the pumpkin leaves, and here I am taking 3 eggs. You can increase or decrease the number of eggs based on the number of people you want to serve. I am preparing this omelette for 2 of us. Here I am transferring the chopped pumpkin leaves. And here I have 1 onion. We'll finely chop this as well. Once chopped, we'll add it along with the pumpkin leaves. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of black pepper powder, and we'll give this a good mix. Here I am heating up my dosa tawa. Once it is heated, we'll add mustard oil. We'll spread it. Once the oil is heated, we'll pour the mixture and allow this to cook in low flame. Once it is cooked from one side, we'll flip it and let it cook from the other side as well. Once done, we'll switch off the flame and we are done. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.